Hello, in this video we'll explore the Redstore Backup and Recovery, a key component of the Redstore's data management solution. It provides borderless visibility of your critical data from a single control center. So let's dive into the software. This interface would be installed on each of the servers you wish to protect. During the installation, you will be prompted to provide a password and an encryption key. This encryption key ensures that only the author of the key has access to recover data. Once the installation is complete, you can then browse your drive and choose files or folders for backup by simply right-clicking and including. Also, you can see that you have the ability to add network drives, backup and protect different SQL databases, and also protect the system state. This is information like registry and Active Directory. You'll notice at the top of the screen there is an option called Full System Backup. Enabling this button means you protect the entire system, and as a result, not only can you recover individual files and folders, but you can also recover from the management console a full disaster recovery image of this system. Let's go and have a look at some restores. So if we go to the Restore tab and pull this drop down, this is where we are able to select all of the different historical backups. So let's have a look at my backups on the 9th of November. An index is pulled down from the Redstore service and then loaded. I then get a full representation of the entire system of how it looked like on the desired date. So in this case, let me go and find some data to restore. So if I now choose the files that I want to recover, hit the restore button on the top of the screen, and I can then choose where I want to recover the data, whether I restore it to the original location, or in this case I'm going to recover it to a restore folder. As you see, the backup client connects to our cloud service, pulls back those files as they would have looked like on the 9th of November, and there we have the restore complete. Redstore have also developed what we call cloud-to-cloud backups. This is where we can back up out of a cloud service provider such as Office 365. Let me give you a brief demonstration. So I've connected to our web console. This is where I then need to log in with my username and password that Redstore have supplied. At the moment you'll see that I don't have any cloud-to-cloud backup set up yet, so let's set up a new one now. I'm going to give my backup set a name. As you can see, we already support OneDrive, SharePoint, and email is coming very soon. Now it's time to authenticate with Office 365. In order to access Office 365, we need to grant permissions to the cloud-to-cloud backup service to gain access to your data. Now that I've successfully authenticated with Office 365, it's now time to select my OneDrive accounts. This is where I can choose the different departments and then click Save. Now it's time to configure a backup set. In this case, I'm happy to back up every day at 8 o'clock. Let's now kick off a backup. Now that the backup is finished, let's look at the recovery options. We can either recover back to Office 365 as simply as choose the option, choose the user's OneDrive in this case, and then choose which date, whether it's the last successful backup date or a custom date and time. The other way of restoring data is using our instant data. This is where, when you choose instant data and choose the user that you'd like to get access to, you can then choose how long the user can access their OneDrive outside of Office 365. This will then send you an email to the user with a link and all of the credentials in order to gain access directly from Redstore.